Hi, it's Brian Hagenhoff here. I just wanted to take a minute to show you how to personalize your website. So you're going to go to your www.31today.com. It's going to come to this screen. You're going to log in. And then once you get on to, we refer to this a lot as TOT, which is 31 Today. And once you get on here, you're going to click on Virtual Office. This is going to take you to the area. If you haven't played around with it much, this is where you're going to put any of your orders in. This is where you can run reports. This is where you can see your contacts. And this is where you're going to update your profile. So you'll go right here to Profile. And then you can actually change your website. Right here, website information. And right here you can click Personalize. So right here you can see on mine that I've changed my website to my31.com/BrianH instead of my consultant ID number because that makes it a lot easier for people to find me. Whoops, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. But you also can upload a photo on there. You can personalize your website. And yours will just read this right here where it shows your consultant ID number. So you can edit that and add your name or whatever you want your website to be. It really makes it easier for people to find you. And with you having your website personalized, it kind of tells people the story about you, and people like to know about you. So it gives them an opportunity to kind of know who you are, and it's just makes it more personable, which we are a personal business. So you definitely want to take the time to set this up. It doesn't take very long, and I think you'll be happy once you do. So there's that. If you have any questions, let me know.